Akanmu. This Oriki is very popular, but it is popular today as a surname because we don't see people giving it to their children in these modern times. And that is so because many people have been disconnected from it because they don't know the meaning. But the meaning is beautiful. And after this breakdown, you are going to agree with me. So let us go right into it. Akanmu. Kan means to touch, right? But the one relevant to this name is the one that means to do something intentionally, to do something purposefully, to do something deliberately. Mo kan le ṣe kiní ni. I have done this thing deliberately. As for mu, that is simple. It simply means to take, to grab, to grasp, to lay hold of something. The a that starts that name is a noun maker whose meaning can be said to be he who or the child who. So what is Akanmu? Very simple. Akanmu, ọmọ tí mo kan lè mú, the child that I specially decided to pick myself. The child deliberately picked and chosen by me. Akanmu. This is a very personal name, an Oriki given to a child to reassure that child that having you was not because we just decided to accept whatever God gave us. We are your parents because we love you. You are wanted by us. You did not just come here to fill the house, just to increase the numbers. No, we chose you. Ọmọ tá kan lè mú ló jẹ́. I like that name so much because I'm just here picturing how it will make the child feel, knowing that my parents want me, they chose me, they love me, they deliberately went for me. That is the rich meaning of that name. Now you see you have agreed with me. Why would you not agree with me that Akanmu is a very beautiful one? The beauty is there to be seen, even by the blind. You are welcome. Wàá Ṣere.